at this. How embarrassing. I did not see you there. Welcome back to another JKpresents. Let me put this away. This is piggybacking off the previous episode, which I will put a link in the description to show you what we're talking about. But we're showing you how we lit our day for night scene. By the way, do you know the word piggyback comes from the 16th century? No one cares. Like I said, today we're going to show you how we actually lit the actual scene. Actually, I say that a lot. And during this episode, we're just going to sprinkle in a little bit of bloopers from the archives, like this.
Who won the most Oscars?
That one would have been, for me, would have been my guess, would have been Meryl Streep.
I believe it's Catherine Hepburn. I don't even know if I've actually looked the right answer up.
So buckle up or buckle down. Buckle down. And let's go and see some details about the actual shoot. Speaking of details, look at this lady. Here is a real world example of someone that cares about the details. On a recent shoot, I spotted this lady. Now check her out. See what she's doing? She's making everything perfect just to do every one of these tables. That to me is amazing. I love that kind of detail. This is also the detail that I do in my job, in my work. Here's an example. Look at this shot. I know that this lady would love for me to color her teeth white because she's in front of the camera. As an editor, part of my job is to make people look good and also to edit scenes together, but also to pay attention to the details. That's why I'll go and paint people's teeth white. Okay, so first shot. It's shooting during the day for night. Here is the lighting setup. All right, so here's the room. Here's one side of the fireplace. That is where I put the Amaran light. Remember, this fireplace has an opening on each end. Here's the other end. That is motivating my light coming from, let's go, let me block that for you. Oh, it's doing auto. Right above the door is where I'll have a moon, and that is my motivation light, and that motivation light is basically my key light, and that's that. Here's my key. You can see that other light, that's my backlight, my hair light. My backlight is right there. I have this light with an orange gel to hit that wall that is basically motivated by those candles. So I put the light behind this wall. You can see right here where the light's peaking, and it's highlighting that part of the chair. I added a light back over here to highlight this area. Let me turn that off. You can kind of see that. I put a light back there in the kitchen. It's probably right about here. And it's shooting that way. All right, so looking at the set right now, obviously you have the fireplace lit with that same Amaran light. But I put a light back here. You can see it being revealed right by this candle. This candle is motivating that light, hitting that couch and creating this little shadow and orange light that's being motivated by the fireplace.
How often should a baby eat in the first month of their life? How many hours?
Every time it's hungry. Next question. I would say
Like
every 2 hours.
That is good. Ding, ding, ding. Every 2 to 3 hours.
And now we're going to show you the shooting at night, for night. All right, so let's walk through the set. I have a small little light. It's hard because it's dark, but right there, that's illuminating this part of the fireplace. You can see that right there. As I come to the actual set, I have a light that's behind this little candle area. It's a little orange hue right there. That way it's motivated by the candle and it sprays all this light onto the couch. In the first wide shot, I put the Ulanzi light at a very low setting, right, it's magnetic, by the way, right on this little practical. So it'll pop in my face. So when I move over here, you can't really see it, but it's hitting my face just a little bit. There's the fireplace. Right next to it, on the fireplace left, which is, you'll see another light right there. Now I have 2 lights by the front door. My little torpedo up here, as well as this light right here. It's giving me that blue hue to hit my back to add more to the room. Then we have behind the couch, another one of these cheap Walmart lights that I found. I needed some sort of light to spray onto this wall, and you'll see it in the footage, but that is that light right there. You'll have that look behind the couch that actually accentuates and gives it a silhouette. And then ultimately when you go to the kitchen, you'll have the light that's above. We got the two Ulazi lights in there. We'll bring this down here. There's one, and there's two. There they are. And then the light that's above, it's giving off the moonlight. Here is another angle of the kitchen area. The Ulazi lights over here, and a small little cheap little Amazon light that I got back there.
How many planets are in our solar system?
7.
8.
Well, 7.
I'm really proud of you for not saying the right answer.
Thank you. Would you rather have all farts silent but extremely smelly, or all farts harmless but extremely loud?
Oh, man, that's a good one. Loud, I guess, because I can blame it on them.
You can't blame it on them because if it's coming from you, they'll know it's you. Oh, no.
Yeah, that's what I think.
I think I heard a snort.
Like I'm literally sweating.
Speaking of cool visual effects, here is a small tutorial on hiding camera equipment that's in the shot. And here's the breakdown explained graphically. So if you didn't know, now you know. Yo, Slick Below. Who wrote this? Okay, that's all we have for today for JK Presents.
Well, because you guys know the new normal is
Abnormal.
And also that the things that you don't know yet are just facts of things that you never really will learn. Goodbye.
No, we're at 27 seconds.
What
What was that noise? Oh my god.
It was my toe.
You sure blame your toe.
It was referring back to that first question.